Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can change the language at the Samsung Galaxy M11. So first of all, let me tell you whatever language you have on your phone with whatever letters, the symbols and the positions I will show you right now will be always the same. So just follow carefully. So first of all, we just scroll down here to go to the settings. It is the little wheel here at the top, at the corner here. Tap it. So then we have to scroll down to the point General Management. It is with a symbol here to adjust things. Tap it. Then we will need the first point, Language and Input. Tap it. And then we will need again the first point, Language. So may your language is now here a part of that list already, then it's very easy because then you just tap on the language here, maybe the English from Botswana, and just go here then on apply and you have changed your language in English with the dialect of Botswana. In case your language is not part here of that list, you go here on the green plus symbol to add a language. And then you choose the language you want to have. Let's keep going on with English to show you it better. And after, as I said, you can choose also the dialect as you want. Let's take the dialect from Antigua and Barbuda, so the beautiful two islands in the Caribbean. So then you have to put the right one here, set as default, because then it's immediately our default language on the phone. And yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me. Yeah, would be really a pleasure to see you again. And maybe until next time. Ciao.